Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch of course. If you click this will open up that way as well. And for this year we do got the Pro Access tailgate, so it will come down automatically like normal. You got measurements and so on, and let's say you are carrying something heavy with your knee, you can just go like that and it will go up automatically for you. We do have a nice gripped running board on the sides, rear side camera, trailer tow mirrors, blind spot mirrors as well, front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see with this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space. We got 2 cup holders right there, 2 heated back seats with a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120 right there. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, we do have 2 cup holders and some arm space just right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leathering we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space in the door, that B&O sound system, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 15 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You got your toggle-free screen, phone and media. Over here, you have your volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see in the vehicle in front of me, and it's just right there as well. You have your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue our look over here. We have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift. It's also collapsible with your speed adjusters on the side. Storage here, cup holders, wireless charging pad with storage, USB and USB-C. This does close. Nice leather-wrapped center console that does fold out for a nice work surface, and does fold out this way for storage underneath as well. Rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive and drive modes. Trailer disconnect, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate. You got your 12-volt right there, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as above. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. Looking above me, we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy, and we do have features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our screen here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation of course, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, Pro Power Onboard, Power Liftgate, you know, apps in general, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB13823, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.